Have you ever stepped into a place that feels unreal, like a dream? Here in Wales, we found a spot that made us believe, if there is a heaven, this is it. From above, the sea glowed in shades of blue and green, with mountains guarding the horizon. The view was already magical, but then something caught our eye. At the very top, we spotted what looked like a giant wall. Curiosity hit us. What could it be? Hiking there would take half a day, so we sent the drone. And there it was, a massive stone wall with a lone house nearby, resting peacefully in the clouds. A view so breathtaking, it felt like stepping into another world. We came here expecting to stand by the water, but the sea had pulled back almost a mile. Instead, we climbed a small hill of sand to get a better view. Wales never stops surprising us. From the sea that moves with time to mountains that hide wonders. Every frame tells a story. This is DroneScape and this is heaven on earth. If you'd like to enjoy the rest of this journey without any disturbance, sit back and relax. Here we go, the full view of Wales from above the clouds.